Alzheimer's breakthrough. Unlocking the brain's natural defense mechanism. A revolutionary discovery sheds light on the brain's ability to combat Alzheimer's disease. Researchers have uncovered a powerful protein-based mechanism that not only removes amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's, but also safeguards memory and cognitive function. This finding offers a glimmer of hope in the fight against this devastating condition. Scientists from Baylor College of Medicine have identified a process involving astrocytes, star-shaped support cells in the brain. These cells, when guided by the protein SOX9, can effectively clear out the toxic amyloid plaque buildup. By increasing SOX9 levels, the team witnessed a remarkable transformation in the cell's ability to remove these harmful deposits. But here's where it gets intriguing. The study suggests that this natural process could be harnessed to slow down cognitive decline associated with Alzheimer's. Astrocytes, often overlooked, might hold the key to preserving brain health. Astrocytes are multitasking masters in the brain, but their role in aging and neurodegeneration is still a mystery, explains Dr. Dongju Choi, the study's first author. The research team focused on SOX9, a protein with a wide reach in astrocyte gene regulation. By manipulating SOX9 expression, they aim to uncover its role in maintaining astrocyte function in both aging brains and Alzheimer's models. And this is the part most studies miss. The researchers used mouse models with existing cognitive impairment and amyloid plaques, mimicking real-world Alzheimer's scenarios. By increasing or removing SOX9, they observed the mice's cognitive performance over 6 months, testing their memory and recognition skills. The results were striking. Higher SOX9 levels led to enhanced astrocyte activity, improved plaque removal, and preserved memory function. Conversely, lowering SOX9 had detrimental effects, allowing plaques to accumulate faster. This discovery highlights the potential of targeting astrocytes as a novel therapeutic approach. Our findings suggest that boosting astrocytes' cleaning power could be a game-changer, says Dr. Benjamin Deneen, the corresponding author. But is this a potential cure or just a temporary solution? The research team emphasizes the need for further studies to understand SOX9's role in the human brain over time. This groundbreaking research opens doors to new treatment possibilities, but it also raises questions. Could this protein-based approach be the long-awaited breakthrough in Alzheimer's treatment? Share your thoughts and join the discussion on this promising yet controversial finding.